and welcome to the 5 o'clock animal racing show. Woo! Yeah, woo! And our contestant tonight will be Taylor Jane. Mufasa! Woo! Yeah, woo! Woo! Yeah, woo! Ah! Ah! Yeah! Take your top off! Our second contestant is Tiffany Rose. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Ow! And she will be riding Jeffrey. Yeah! Woo! Jeffrey! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! 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 Woo! Woo! Do it again! Yeah! 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 Do it again! Do it again! Do it again! Woo! Woo! Ready to lose? Stop your whining. Ready to get your ass kicked? The only one getting her ass kicked is you. Or should I say, his ass. Your marks. Get set. Go! So, what's your name? Taylor. Oh. What school do you go to? I graduated. Oh, me too. I'm in college. Me too. Oh yeah? What are you going for? I'm a masseuse. Really? Yeah. That trap feels good. Don't be talking about my vagina. I bet you can't feel anything because it's so loose. Bitch. Slut. Nigga. Crack up. No. He looks like a sweet animal. Yeah, he's nice. Yeah. Oh god, something stinks. Must be your ass. I'm so funny. I know, right? I really have to pee. My legs hurt. How long has it been? 3 hours? I am sweating. Where is the finish line? I don't know. I don't think there is one. Oh, I see something up ahead. That must be it. Good. Let's see who wins. Okay. I win! And thank you for joining Animal Racing on Saturday night. Don't touch me. Sniffing his ass. Freaking freaks. And the winner is... Not because our ladies are a bunch of bitches. Get out there! Get out there! Ah! Get out there! Ah! This is not about our animals anymore. They're going down! You're recording. I am? Yeah! Super bitch! Sit on the lion. Sit. Okay, it's still recording. We are. Oh! Wait. Okay. Hey! Am I recording? Come on. Open your fat ass. You ready to lose? You ready to get your ass kicked? The only one getting her ass kicked is you. Or should I say, his ass. On your marks. Get set. Go! So, yeah. Okay, go. Great! Yeah? Yeah! Okay. Makes me have to pee. I can't do this.
It's so dirty. We're humping animals.
Look at me.
Oh my god.